Hi everyone, this is Allie Brady and Shannon Murphy here at ABCentre in sunny Scottsdale, and we have our little Jazzy dog with us here who's going to help us, and we are going to participate in the virtual farm tours. So hang on, here we go. So we're going to just start by driving on into the property. ABCentre. Our house. We're in the golf cart. Hello, house. Drive past our house down the little dirt road here. Out here to the left, you can ride out our gate, and there's miles and miles of wonderful trails to take plenty of advantage of. Here's the gate that's already open because we just drove out it. I can just pull right up here. Alrighty. Come here, Jazzy. Oh, you got Jazzy. Thank you. So here is our arena. We do not have an indoor arena, but we just work early hours in the summer, and it obviously doesn't rain much in the winter. About 110 by 205, I believe, is what I've been told here. Our entryway. Actually just put this up a few months ago. Very proud of my little succulents. We'll see if I can not kill them. I interrupted Shannon's Sunday fun day with her horse Dutchie. She likes to Magna wave her on Sundays. Anyways, this is our entryway. This is Jazzy's house. She's our little mascot. Hi, Jazz. It's our groom area. We have 3 grooming areas, and one of them is where we give the baths. Our Magna Wave machine gets plenty of use. Dutchie thoroughly enjoying herself. It's our grease board, shows what we do every day, and we mark it off as we go. This is the work tack room. Got all of our saddles and bridles. Lots of water. Need lots of water to stay hydrated here in lovely Scottsdale. The coveted bit wall. Every trainer's got one of these. This is our barn. We've got 19 stalls in this barn. There's Celine. Saki. Hi, Saki. He was national champion at youth last year. Very sweet boy. Hi, Lucy. Aramis. Come here. This is Aramis, my heart horse. Hi, handsome. I don't have a treat for you. I'm sorry. Hi. As we go down here, I'm a recycle fanatic, so we recycle everything. This is our laundry room and extra tack type of stuff in here. Everybody's got to have a restroom. This is our restroom. Got a little shower in there. Sweet Bill. Hi, Bill. I don't have any treats. I'm awful. Yes, he says. I know, I'll walk down. Some of the stalls are 12 by 12, and some of them are 12 by 16. Have a couple apartments in the barn. This is one here. Our stall cleaner lives. This is a tool shed that we keep our tools and blankets and stuff in. Fans. We will be putting fans up here in the next couple of weeks. Putting blankets away. Paint. This is our covered round pen so we can get out of the sun and the rain. It's a big 60-foot round pen. Wonderful footing. Very, very spoiled with this round pen. Love it. Got great views at this place. All right, as we walk along, that's our entryway that way. Walk along here. Park some trailers. Have our shavings and our feed area. So I switched to cubes and grass hay, but cubes right before nationals last year, so I could actually haul feed and not worry about the quality of hay at the shows we go to. And this room here is grain and supplements. We have all of our grain in here. Keep the mice out. Supplements on the shelves. Horses' grain baggies are made and kept in there for the whole week. Thank you, Susan Foster. You rock. More storage. Lots of storage. Lots of saddles. Too many saddles. So another 4-stall barn. Our property is 5 acres and a total 35 stalls. So this is our 4-stall barn. Go walking along here. That is a manure bin inside there that we get hauled away every week. And we go walking along here. This is a nature preserve. We're not allowed to touch this area. So it's full of all kinds of fun nature things. This is our presentation arena that we use pretty much as a turnout for the show horses. I just painted that fence brown myself. We're gonna end up painting all these fences brown at some point. This used to be a breeding shed. We added 2 more stalls in here. We actually had a stall also made here for a miniature horse that isn't here anymore. And Shannon thinks I need to get chickens. I don't know, we'll see about that. Got our 2-year-olds turned out in the turnouts right now. So this is our 10-stall barn. It's very open and airy. I did get the sunshades put up last year, which are really nice. It cuts down on the sun and the wind. This is another groom area. This is kind of for clients or whatever overflow stuff. This is another tack room here. Mostly client stuff. Anyways, this barn is a really nice barn. It's really nice and airy, and all the horses can visit. Hi, Rosie. All-Star. It's about time to wash blankets and put them away. We haven't put them on for a good week now. Pretty soon it will be mister time. We have mister systems and fans in all the stalls here. We have a Toa Hatch that comes out and helps us. He has a couple of these Appaloosas here that we use to pony horses off of. They are great teachers for the young colts and for beginner riders to just enjoy. It's our 2-year-olds. We got some covered turnouts here. That's our house. My commute to work is not awful. Toa just brought out a very busy trail course, and I'm very excited. He's going to be breaking a lot of our horses to that, get them just broke in general. A little extra parking storage, presentation arena. And I think that's about it. Trying to think if there's anything else that's super exciting that I missed. But I think that's about it. I do like how this ranch is put together. It has a really good vibe. When people come here, the minute they walk on the property, people and horses alike, they just feel just happy. This place has such a happy mojo vibe to it. Very, very fortunate, very excited that Matt and I were able to get this place. Our neighbors here is Bar A and Sherry Bala and her mom Sandy. And they have 15 acres that does an L around my property, which is kind of cool. They have a big dressage arena right on the back side of my round pen here. And they've actually said that I'm allowed to ride it in that anytime I want. I just haven't quite taken them up on that yet, but one of these days maybe I will. It's always good to get horses in multiple arenas. Hope you enjoyed your farm tour of ABCentre. Have a good Sunday. Bye.